Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will teach you how to design this door panel for kitchen cabinet. Okay, first go to customize and go to system cabinet. You go into parts and add riser to the kitchen cabinet. So here I change the size, change the depth to 397 and the height to 9 because I want it to be thin. Okay, and then right click. First press B button to go board selection mode. Okay, and click the board here. Click copy, or you can also press Ctrl V, copy it 3 times. Okay. So here we got 3 layer, 3 board here. Okay, and click the first board. Right click it, you see panel point editing. Okay, click it. So we're gonna draw drill hole. Click drill hole and draw rectangle in the middle. Okay, so now save, return. Okay, now we do the second board. Click it, go to panel point editing. Okay, now we make the board to hollow out, panel type to hollow out. Drill the same rectangle, drill hole. Oh sorry, you not drill hole, okay? You click draw. Okay, make rectangle in the middle, like smaller rectangle than the previous one. Okay. This one you can adjust the size of the rectangle. Sorry, draw again. Make sure that this rectangle is smaller than the other one. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Done. Click save. Okay, then you go return. Okay, now second layer is done. So this is how it look like. So now I'm going to move it side by side. Okay, click the board and then click Z button. Sorry, Z button. Okay, and then move it. Click the first board also. Click, move it to the second board like this. So it intersect with the second board. So it'll be like this. Then you select all the board. Click Control and select it. And group it. Okay, this one you have to group it and favorite it. Okay. Now I'm going to rotate the door. Okay, rotate it. Then adjust it. Move it back a bit. This one you can change the material. Okay. You can choose any pattern or you can also upload your own texture. Okay, you guys can try out. To do another door, you can go to my and see the favorite one. You will find the door that you favorite just now. Okay, you can drag it out to another space. Okay guys, now we have done design. Thank you for watching.